everyone, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I want to share with you guys the before of this amazing gymnasium that we transformed into a winter wonderland. Now, we hosted this event back in December. It was for our ministry, and this was a local um, nonprofit organization that had transitioned an old school building into a nonprofit organization. And so this is a nonprofit organization that we often volunteer with, and I thought it would be absolutely gorgeous for our Winter Wonderland party. Now, this is what it looked like after. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I decided to stick with the grays and whites just to bring in all the beautiful winter, snowy, cozy feel. And I got these cone trees from Hobby Lobby and added the fake snow around the base of the table, along with some candlelight to keep things really simple. And I absolutely love that as well because it was really easy for us to decorate as we have a lot of volunteers to assist with the decor for our Christmas parties for the ministry. If you guys also notice, keeping with that Winter Wonderland theme, I added little small snowflakes on each of the wine glasses, and I just thought they really added that special touch. Many of you guys love that bling centerpiece that I've shown many times, and we have that linked on our Amazon website as well. So we featured our dessert columns in an array of different sizes in the front of the room. And I absolutely love working with both our girl Rachel. She used to be Hot Mama's Bakery. Now she's Designer Desserts by Rachel K. She has her own bakery. It's just been incredible to see her journey as an entrepreneur blossom as well. She did the cake, the macaroons, the cookies, the cupcakes, and the cake pops. And then LaKendra Short, which is also my future bride, she did all of the pretzels, the strawberries. She also did the candy apples and the Oreo cookies and some popcorn. I'll show you guys that in just a second. But what I loved about the candy apples was that our ministry initials or monogram also matched the snowflakes. I just thought that was so super cute, and I was just so excited about all of that. And of course, Rachel's work always looks absolutely fantastic. I think she needs to do like the cake boss or something one day because the girl is a beast at decorating cakes. In terms of the actual tables, I used 3 different types of the tree cones. I used gunsmoke gray, metallic silver gray that you see here, and then more of a rhinestone silvery type gray, and I alternated those, from table to table because I did want to keep the theme really gender neutral. And what I love about having a Winter Wonderland theme, you can really and truly have this theme from like December to November to like February, honestly, and it looks really great. So these are pieces that I can definitely incorporate into other Wonderland themed events that I have coming up this year very soon. So I'll show those things to you guys soon. And again, if you're interested in where I got the centerpiece, I will link that Amazon Live down below where I show you guys exactly where to find this centerpiece along with the columns and the other things that I've shared as well. Now, one of the things that I wanted to point out here was the treats. We had some macaroons, strawberries. We had an array of treats, and they were all, I mean, just delicious. Look at that. Woo, they were so good. And I love the popcorn. They were individually packaged for those who, wanted to pick up their desserts and, feel a little bit more safe about it. So definitely, that was an option for them. And I love, being able to offer that. And then I just did a simple organic balloon over the dessert table. Excuse the shakiness. I had someone else recording this for me. But my mother-in-law also purchased some new chafing dishes. And you guys, it just made the table look so very elegant. So that is how we transformed this typical school gymnasium into a beautiful event venue. I absolutely love transforming spaces, and I love teaching others how to transform as well. So if you're interested in event planning, and event designing, and event decor, definitely check us out at luxeacademy.podia.com. I will leave the link to our website down in the description box below. We're also having a mini class on Sunday. The replay will also be available, and I'm going to teach you how to transform a hotel room or an intimate space, a home, bedroom, or whatever, for Valentine's Day. So be sure to check it out. It's just $97, and you guys will not believe what you'll get for the price. Finally, I want to share a recent promotion that I did for Fox regarding a new TV show coming up. But the reason I wanted to include it in this video was actually, it's not a paid ad or anything like that, but I wanted to share my story, and I want you guys to listen to it from your heart. I hope it blesses you as much as it blessed me. Cheers! I'm no stranger to sacrifice. I remember the time when I was a child, and after school we would often sit around the table and do our homework and eat dinner. This one particular day, my mom asked us not to clean our plates. And this was really concerning for me because she would always tell us to clean our plates. And so I went back to the kitchen, and when I did, I saw her eating the leftover with scraps of bread from our plates with tears in her eyes. This was my first real introduction to sacrifice. If you love heartwarming, inspiring, life-changing stories like this, you will love The Cleaning Lady, a new show premiering on Monday, January 3rd at 9 p.m. Pacific Time on Fox. It is all about putting families over everything. Check your local listing for the show times and tune in with your entire family.